Clipless pedals have a lot of advantages, but are they right for kids?
I think.
Let me see. Yeah, buddy. I don't know. Now, Elo's a good rider, but he's never tried clipless before. He started by taking off his flat pedals. These pedals have been great, but time to try clipless. Of course, he doesn't have his own pedals, so he stole them off my bike. These are Crank Brothers Mallet DH, the Super Bruni edition.
So inserting.
Time to install those pedals on Elo's bike. And there we go. Good?
Yes.
Put on elbow pads.
No, I'm going to lean against the van.
I think you should have elbow pads on. For the record, I say all the pads.
Helmet.
All the pads.
Helmet.
Just a helmet?
Yeah.
Bad idea, bro. Have you ever clipped in before to anything?
Yes.
What?
Your old XC pedals.
You use those?
Yeah.
How many clips did you do?
2. About.
Okay. I don't know. Now, we thought this would be the easy part, but it turned out to be a little bit difficult.
I want to clip in.
Even when the alignment was good, still he couldn't clip in. Alright, so far so fail. What'd you think about clips, bro?
They don't work.
At this point we figured out that the pins were up on those pedals, and that was preventing his shoe from engaging with the cleat. Now we'll try again with those pins lowered. That worked, so the next step was to practice engaging.
Oh yeah, there was the pins. I was having trouble clipping in, and we thought it was that the pins were out too much, so I just went and lowered all the pins all the way.
Why don't you go in and out, in and out, in and out, 10 times on each. Both sides of the pedal. Alright, Elliot, are you ready for a loop? Yeah, go fast, don't die. You make it up the stairs? Next, we decided to head into the woods to see how they work there. There it is.
I clipped out of the wrong foot.
You sure did. That's your first fall over.
Yeah.
You got 9 to go.
What? Who said 9 to go?
Me, just now.
Why?
You gotta fall over 10 times before you get it. So Elo,
Yeah?
what's the verdict? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Gonna take you some time or what?
Yeah. My right foot clips in easily, but my left foot doesn't. Because you just get a better connection to your bike.
How are you gonna learn these?
I'm gonna get my own pedals.
You do need your own pedals first.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
I hope you enjoyed the video. I just got back from Ride Bicycles and picked up these Mallet E pedals. I was using my dad's Mallet DH pedals, but now I have my own. And if you also want to shop at Ride Bicycles, clipless.com. Use code DJ Klein to get 10% off and go ride your bike.